When visiting places, a tourist is usually interested in three things: a nice affordable hotel, attractions, and last but not the least, where to dine. The last is probably the most important, not only because food is an enjoyable thing, but also because it's the quickest way to get to know the local culture. Here in the Philippines, there are a variety of regional dishes, with each specialty reflective of the way of life of the people. And there are restaurants that offer the best of local cuisines. Isa na rito ang Kusina de Cagayan na matatagpuan sa Tuguegarao City, Cagayan North. Ang Cagayan North ay isa sa mga probinsyang bumubuo sa Cagayan Valley region sa Northern Luzon. Ang Tuguegarao City ang regional capital ng Cagayan Valley region. Ang Cagayan Valley ang isa sa pinakamayamang rehiyon sa dakong ito ng Pilipinas. Dito matatagpuan ang Cagayan River na nagpapayabong sa mga lupain. Maraming klase ng agricultural at fishing products ang naaani ng mga taga Cagayan Valley dahil sa Cagayan River. Itinayo ang Kusina Cagayan 2 taon pa lamang ang nakakalipas at ngayon, popular na ito. Dinadayo ito ng mga turista at ng mga Cagayanons na gustong makatikim ng mga local delicacies. Itinayo ang Kusina Cagayan ng isang grupo ng mga magkakaibigan na dating nagtatrabaho sa isang malaking hotel sa Maynila. Gusto kasi nila na makatulong sa pagsulong ng local tourism dito. Ang Kusina Cagayan, nang ibig sabihin ay Kitchen of Cagayan, ay masasabing the first of its kind sa Tuguegarao City at sa buong Cagayan region. Ito lamang kasi ang nag-showcase ng native delicacies at specialty ng buong Cagayan region. Kusina Cagayan has an almost complete list of regional specialties. It has added its own twist to some of the well-known local cuisines. Kusina Cagayan, where one gets to taste the best of Cagayan Valley.
We are flattered for the local foreign and local tourists because they really appreciate the place. They appreciate the indigenous raw materials we've been using, and they find the food, of course, delicious, and some of which are very exotic. And the reaction for our own kababayans here, they find it expensive because they're not used to a setup like this, no, fine dining. And since we're the first fine dining restaurant, we've been offering international. So it's a mixed cuisine, the local and international. So they're not used to it. So somehow, when we talk to especially the foreigners or kababayans abroad, they come. They started promoting what we call yung mouth advertisement na lang.